Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is a get ready with me for a date night with Alex. So I'm gonna do my hair. And we're gonna do my makeup. Sorry about the lighting and like the shadows. I was just trying to get the best lighting possible because this bathroom has no good lights. So there's that. I'm debating if I should do my makeup first. No, I'm gonna do my hair first because I always sweat. I'm just gonna section it off into pigtails and then do sections by sides. I'm kind of short on time. I have dinner at 7 and it's 5:44, so yes. So I just quickly blew my hair out, like nothing too, too special. And now we're gonna do some makeup, and I'm really excited because I got some new things that I want to test out. I'm just gonna put my hair in just a scrunchie, like a very loose scrunchie, so I don't get any lines, but that way it's just like kind of out of the way. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. I already did like all of my skincare earlier, so I'm just gonna go in with some primer. This is the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Hydrating one. I used to use this a lot on my channel. And then I just kind of stopped and then I just rebought it again. But it is so good because I really like this primer. It's one of my favorite hydrating primers. I'm gonna open this new brush that I got. Okay, 5:53, so I kind of have to hurry up. But it's this NYX brush, 37 is what it's called. I just figured like for foundation, or like maybe, I think I'm gonna do it for blush actually, but we're gonna try out a new foundation today, and it is the Kosas foundation. This one has like SPF 25 in it. It's the Revealer Skin Improving Foundation, and it seems very like hydrating and plumping. It's what it's like supposed to do. And I just bought it, so we're gonna try it out because you guys know I don't really like foundations, but we're gonna give it a whirl. So. And we'll see how we like it. I probably should have gotten a mirror. But it's a very lightweight, buildable coverage, which I like because I don't like full coverage like foundations. And the lighting is so weird. I know I look ghostly right now. I actually really like this foundation. Very nice. And it is buildable, which I like. So I'm just gonna build it up a little bit. And I don't really like feel it on my face either, which I really like. So far, that's a win. It makes your skin just look very hydrated and plump. Now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. Oh no, my camera is gonna die. I should have charged this before I started. I'm gonna go in with a blush. This is in Happy. Oh, actually, I'm not using this. I'm gonna use my new blush that I got from Sai in the shade Peachy, and I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand, and I'm actually going to use the NYX brush. And I'm sorry if I don't show a lot of steps. My camera's going to die. And yeah, a little over the nose action. I really like this blush. Wow. Going with this highlighter by Merit. This stuff is so good. It's like a highlighting balm, but it's so like wet on the skin, and it blends just so seamlessly. Like, look at that. Gives you such a nice glow. Oh no, it's dying. I keep having to like shut my camera off and put it back on. I literally just got a bloody nose while doing my makeup. And it's currently 6:01. So, that's annoying. And yeah. So I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. Back in action, baby. Okay, no more bloody nose. I'm just gonna do my mascara real quick. And then I'm finished with makeup. That was actually a really bad bloody nose. So we are going to a Brazilian steakhouse where they like come around with like a bunch of meat and everything. So I'm trying to dress in something that's will expand with me, you know, because wearing jeans to places like that is never fun and uncomfortable, and then I end up unbuttoning my pants. So yeah, so this is the makeup, just simple, you know, nothing too crazy. And then I'm just gonna use some Laneige lip glow balm. Oh no, it's gonna die, it's gonna die. It's still hanging on. Okay, I picked an outfit. Hopefully you guys can see. I just have this really cute like Amazon dress, and I just paired it with like a cropped denim jacket. So hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. I'm so sorry that it was fast, but my camera's gonna die. So give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.